Hey guys, it's Jeremy. I just want to give you a really quick tip with the Moto 360. If you're planning on changing out the leather band on it, be sure to get a spring action tool that I'm going to link below. It's specifically made for watch bands, so it's kind of like this. Um, it's like basically like a flathead screwdriver, but it's got a little notch in the middle. And what that means, if you don't know how to remove the band, you have to put a tool in here and then pop the spring out from the strap. This has no notch in the middle. So basically you're going to have to fool around to get it, and you're going to have to put a little bit of excess pressure on the watch. And if this tool had a little notch in the middle, you could go right around the metal bar in there and pop it right out. The reasoning you don't want to use these flathead screwdrivers, you could end up putting this in there, bending it too high, and putting too much pressure on the back of the watch. If you don't know, the back of this watch, it may look fancy and metal, but it's actually a really cheap, easy to crack plastic. People are cracking it right here very easily when they're trying to do this, and I actually attempted with this tool and ended up cracking this part right here very slightly. I stopped immediately when I noticed, and then I just ended up ordering the tool I'm talking about. I'm going to link it below for you to Amazon. It's like $6, so I would definitely order that. So that's definitely something you want to buy if you're planning on changing the watch strap out, which I would definitely recommend because this strap is not aging well. It's starting to look very disgusting, but the Moto 360 itself looks very good still. Alright, that is it guys. Peace.